Since the equipment is subjected to wear and tear, the following procedures must be performed when specified to ensure that the equipment remains within its original manufacturing specification. Inspect the lift for any damage. If the lift casing does not look properly aligned, or there are any cracks or other damage on the lift, or any parts are missing, do not use it. Inspect the folding sling support for any signs of cracking or damage. Inspect the hook at the top of the strap to ensure that it is properly attached. Inspect the strap for any visible signs of wear, frays, loose threads, or other damage. If there is any evidence of damage, do not use it. Inspect the sling for tears, frayed straps, or loose stitching. If the sling has any damage, do not use it. Park the lift for charging whenever the lift is not in use to help maximize battery life. Before each use, make sure all end stoppers are in place and tightened. Clean Maxi Sky 440 with a soft, dry cloth, or a soft cloth slightly moistened with a mild detergent solution, using a wiping motion to remove soil. Do not use phenol, chlorine, or any other type of solvent that may damage the finish. Customer obligations shall be carried out by qualified personnel. If the product does not work as intended, contact R. Joe Huntley.